Hello and welcome to Cornish Creators. Today I'm going to show you how to make a self-portrait of your head and your neck and your shoulders. So we are first, of course, going to start with the head. So just make a simple head like this. I'm sure you all know how to make a head. And then for the neck and shoulders, you are going to do one straight line down. On the other side, repeat the same thing, one straight line down. Then another straight line to the side and a curve over. And then on the other side, repeat that, a curve, line to side and a curve over. Then make a line under the curve. Now your drawing should look like this. Now you're going to not focus on the shoulders, but focus on the face. You're going to make eyes, so make one big U, then a line across to the other side, and then make a bump on top. First eye should look like that. I added eyes, eyebrow, and yeah. Then do the same on the other side. U connects the line and over. Now it should look like this. Now I know it doesn't have any eyes in it, so you're going to add a little line. Then on the other one, same, just a little line, like this. Now you need the circle around it. So you do the circle around it. Then make your line a little bit more thicker, not too much, but a little bit more thicker. Then add eyelashes in the eyelids. Now your drawing should look like this. Then add the eyebrows. Just gonna do a line over and a line over. Then make the line a little bit more thicker. And then same for the other one, just a line, then make it a little bit thicker. Now your drawing should look like this. Now add the mouth. You just have to do one very big U, not too big, then two like this. Now you have to look like this, and you can also just do it when you see it. Now you're going to put a line in the middle here, just like that, to separate the two lips. Now you want to make out your nose, so you're going to do a line, then another, and then a little bump over, and then you're going to do the nose hole. Now you should add the hair. First, you do a little bit of top hair here, and then if you want to draw yourself, you can just make however hair you have, and yeah. So make your hair. I'm going to make my hair. So when you're done with your hair, you're going to move on to the shoulders. So now you're going to do a line under the neckline, but then don't attach it. This is the shirts separated to your arms. And you will do a big bump from your neck so it shows that it's a shirt or dress or anything, because or else you'll just be like this without anything on. See? So then you'll do, if you're wearing short sleeves, you can make a line in the middle like this. If you're wearing long sleeves, maybe you can just let them stay long. And if you want, you can decorate the shirt. Now I'm going to decorate my shirt. This is going to be my shirt because I have one of these. And so you can choose your own colors to color in, since if you're drawing, you can do your eye color, you can do your hair color, you can do even whatever shirt you have, or even imaginary shirt color. So you do the rest and make your drawing be your drawing. Bye.